have noticed the term upstream in the objectives section. If you are going to work in the oil and gas industry, you will hear this, and a couple of words like those almost every day. The terms upstream, midstream, and downstream are used to mark the three main segments in the oil and gas supply chain. Now, let's start defining with upstream processes. Generally, the upstream processes can be simply defined as the set of processes, and activities, needed to locate and extract materials for production. To be more specific, in the oil and gas industry, the upstream process refers to activities like an exploration of reservoirs, drilling wells, and extraction and initial production of oil and gas from deposits. Oil and gas that comes to the surface go through several physical processes, like separation, to prepare material for export and compression, in order to reach required export pressure. After that, the next part of the oil and gas supply chain commences. Midstream. This segment refers to anything required to transport and store crude oil and natural gas, before they are refined and processed into fuels and key elements, needed to make a myriad of products that we use every day. Midstream includes pipelines and all the infrastructure needed to move these resources long distances, such as pumping stations, tank trucks, rail tank cars, and transcontinental tankers. However, it is mostly referred to as a bridge between upstream and downstream processes. Finally, the downstream process includes a set of activities like processing, distribution, and the sale of the product. Oil refineries are a good example of the downstream operations, where a set of physical and chemical processes are carried out for converting crude oil into ready-for-sale products.